Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the PdEdc slider. So I had actually done a unboxing of this slider previously, and I didn't post it because I had made a mistake during the video, and I'm going to show you exactly what mistake I had made during this review. And I just didn't want to post the video with that mistake because it was kind of important information, and I want you guys to have all of the information on this slider. You know, because that's important. If you're gonna buy something, then you should have everything, like, you know, you should know everything about it before you're gonna buy it. So in this review, I'm just gonna be like going through it, and I'm gonna tell you everything that I know about it. So let us get started. So we received this box, and it is a lovely box. I absolutely love it. So yeah, when you order it, you're gonna get this box like this, and it's super cute. Oops, clonk. And yeah, it's got like a little people, aliens or whatever, something, pizzas, cactuses, strawberries. Oh my god, I love it. I love this box. It's adorable. So then you open the box. Open the box. Okay. And when you open the box, you will have your slider, and I'm gonna set that aside for a second. And then you receive, you know, the tool for the slider, and then some extras. And this is where I made the mistake. I said some extras as if it were extras, like exactly the same magnets and exactly the same frames. I'm like blanking on what to call these. Yeah, exactly the same inserts. They're not. These are different magnets. They are larger and stronger, and these are these inserts are also obviously larger to accommodate these magnets. So yeah, in the unboxing I just said that they were some extras, and I set them aside. I didn't actually look at them, and today in this video we're gonna actually look at them. So first we are going to look at this slider. I'm gonna set this stuff aside so we can look at this beautiful slider. So this is number 53, and look at this, like, gorgeous. I absolutely love how it looks. It is, I mean, it looks like a pack of cards or whatever, because, you know, the thickness is obviously not one card. Okay. And then on the other side, you got the little bear. It's so cute. Trying to get it a little bit closer. It's so adorable. But yeah, so this is the slider itself, and it is just so cute. And go crazy with it. Yeah, it is absolutely so much fun to play with. It is not that loud. See, the magnets are very firmly held in place in the frames. So you're not like going nuts with something louder like oh, what I've got in my pocket. That's loud. Yeah. So it's just super nice, and the flow of it is amazing. You know, you got, it's just, I don't know, it's so much fun. I highly recommend getting this. So let's check out the size of it. All right. So we got, woo. I want to call it 46. 45.9. Come on. What's wrong? Is it? I mean, okay. 45.9. Whatever. 46. And then on the sides, 30.1. So 46 by 30. Oh, there we go. 30. 30 by 46. There we go. 46. 30 by 46 by 14. So 30 by 46 by 14. It's just, it's a nice size. Let's see. Look at it in comparison to something like the Wrapped. They're very similar. Very, very similar. I picked the Wrapped because it's something that's very common. Let's see, the noise. Quieter. So if you're looking for something to play with, you know, outside or with people in a crowd or whatever, this slider is one of them. It's still gonna make some noise, obviously. If you're looking for something loud, then this is probably not it. I really like the noise that it makes. It's like... Alright, anyway. How much does it weigh? .46. So a nice 86 grams. Let's see. That is pretty good. Let's again compare it to, so my Wrapped has the brass inserts, so it is 100 grams, pretty hefty. Although, you know, I've heard that they weigh different amounts depending on how you weigh them. I don't really see that happening. The magnets mess with the scale, I guess. Anyway, so around 100 grams for the Wrapped with brass inserts. Alrighty then. Now, let's see. So, right now, so out of the box, it comes with the smaller magnets on both sides, in both halves of the slider. So we are going to change that, and we got this. We are going to change out the magnets. So let's put, whoa, these magnets are pretty strong. And let's put them in the numbered half. Why? I don't know. Okay, so we need this, and obviously the magnets. Okay, those aren't coming out. So we get the, yeah, get the magnetic stick for when the screws aren't coming out. All right, that bothers me. Let's have it face that way. All right. Alrighty then. Some close-up stuff. Yeah, we can see that it's like, if we overlap it, we can see that it's just a little bit bigger. Alright, so we take off that frame, and now we want to get these magnets and set them aside. And now we want to make sure that we are applying them in the right direction. So we do this, and it is attracting. Alright, so we set aside the smaller frame, and we put in the larger frame. So it's got little, you can see here that it's a little cutout for the screw holes. So yeah, apply it so it sticks, and now it's not moving at all, so it's stuck. Alright, so this is a bit of a pain. Geez, everything is moving around. Okay, now I just kind of, alright, these magnets are very strong. Alright, so put that one in. Oh god. Sorry, the magnets are just kind of flying everywhere. Ah. Alright, this one, 2, Jesus. Three, 4, 5, yeah, these are, turning it sideways kind of helped. Now let's see if it'll help the other way. Shit. Okay. 3 left. Oh my god. Why is this so ridiculously difficult? Okay. Guys, I'm gonna get it. Sorry, I'm like off camera. Okay, I'm gonna pause and come back. This is taking too long. Okay, guys, somehow I managed it. So it's really tough, and you have to like slide them across to each other, and yeah, so whew. Put that on before anything else happens. Didn't want to waste your time with more of that. My goodness. Alright, so I find that with the larger magnets, it just sticks like way closer, like this. Oh, I say that and then I drop it. Stuff like this. So like, it just wants to stick, so it wants to spin. So that's, I like to have it with the larger magnets because I like to spin it on itself. Ugh. I also like to drop it. So when spinning it, just ouchies. Have it spin the body with the larger magnets against the body with the smaller magnets so that it stays together. I found that spinning the weaker magnet body against the stronger magnet body is just, it doesn't produce the same effect for some reason. But if you spin the stronger magnet body against the weaker magnet body, then it'll stick. It will stay together more. It wants to, you know, it does want to stay together. And yeah. So this is the review of the PdEdc slider. The review and the ouchies. That is my mistake. Yeah, the review and the teardown and whoa, and the just, you know, the gosh, words, man. The addition, yeah, of the larger magnets. So that way you guys can see how it, there we go, how it acts when it's got the larger magnets on it. It wants to stick. It is kind of, in my opinion, a little bit more fun, but it's as I drop it. So yeah, I just, it's, I drop these things a lot. It's just me. It's, yeah, it's me. It's a me thing. I am clumsy, and, oh god, I almost dropped it again. I kind of just go for things, and I test them to put them beyond their limit. Oh my god, I'm doing it again. So this is, yeah, I can't really do tricks, but I'm showing you, I guess, the strength of this thing. I don't know. Whee! But that's about it. So yeah, I don't know if there's not much more I can show you. But yeah, the extras in there are not just extras. They're not just more of the same magnets. They are different magnets. You should try them out. They are a pain to put in. Make sure you have something metal to put behind it, because if not, I mean, you can use the other half of this. You can use the other half of the slider. It's going to be tough, but that's what you can do. So try it out. Get this slider. I highly recommend it. It's just so much fun. And let me know in the comments what you think about this video. If you're gonna get this slider, yeah, what you think. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. And I will see you in the next video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Alright. Bye, guys.